What's good with you? What's up with you, YouTube? This your boy New Era Chris, and this is Review This, React That. And today, I got the Habanero Hot Cheese Popcorn by Cardi B and Rap Snacks. Gonna be doing the taste test review. Let's go. Now, if you guys may or may not know, Cardi B has 2 Rap Snack chips, and I've already done a review on the other one, so this is the second one with Cardi B. Habanero Hot Cheese Popcorn, Rap Snacks, Cardi B on the front. This is gonna be hot. Got a little picture of her on the back with some words. Wearing a red dress, so I guess it's gonna be hot. Stay true to who you are on the front. So let's get into this. Smell cheesy, real cheesy. Got a little sting to it. Got a little sting to it, but not overly hot. Got the cheese on the finger. Okay, Cardi. Looks like it's 2 in a row for you. I'm not a real fan of popcorn chips, but these are good. You can taste the cheese. The habanero is hot. It's good. I mean, what can I say? Rap Snacks makes the best chips out there. And they got the top rappers with them making chips. You know, the Migos, I really like their chips. Trina's, I like hers. Fab, I like his. So this is another banger, man, with Cardi B. She has 2 chips with Rap Snacks right now. So these are also good. So if you want to check them out, go to your local store, see if they have them. I mean, these are good. Yeah, ain't nothing I can say bad about them at all. Real good, not too hot. That's what's up. So if you guys want more reviews like this, hit the like button, share, comment down below. Did you check out Cardi B's popcorn, hot cheese popcorn? And tell me how you like them. So until next time, I'm out this thing. Peace.